Unlocking the day. Understanding Daylight Beckons. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and evocative phrase, Daylight Beckons. This expression is not just about the sun rising but carries a deeper meaning, symbolizing new opportunities and the start of something fresh. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's illuminate this phrase together. Daylight beckons is a phrase that beautifully combines two words to evoke a powerful image and feeling. Let's break it down. Daylight. This refers to the natural light provided by the sun during the day. It's a symbol of clarity, visibility, and life itself. Beckons. To beckon means to signal or summon someone in a gentle or enticing way. It's an invitation, often implying that there's something worthwhile or necessary to attend to. When combined, daylight beckons suggests that the daylight is inviting or calling out to us, encouraging us to start anew or to embrace the opportunities that a new day brings. The phrase goes beyond its literal meaning to convey a deeper symbolism. Daylight beckons can be seen as a metaphor for new beginnings, hope, and inspiration. It reminds us that every day is a new opportunity. Just as daylight marks the start of a new day, this phrase encourages us to see each day as a chance to start fresh. The importance of heeding the call. The beckoning daylight suggests that we should not ignore the opportunities and possibilities that lie ahead of us. You can use this phrase in various contexts to inspire, motivate, or simply describe the start of a day. Here are some examples. Motivational context. As I woke up to the soft light of dawn, I realized that daylight beckons, urging me to pursue my dreams without delay. Descriptive context. The gentle glow of morning filled the room, a silent reminder that daylight beckons and it's time to rise. Daylight beckons is more than just a phrase about the sunrise. It's an invitation to embrace each new day with hope, enthusiasm, and the willingness to take on new challenges. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and inspired you to look forward to every new day with optimism. Remember, every day is a chance to start anew because daylight beckons. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.